Good afternoon. This is Divyesh Shah. My company name is Belito Creation India Pvt Ltd. We are manufacturer for glass architectural hardware. In this, we make it a lot of architectural hardware, kitchen, wardrobes, office partitions, sliding, folding, parking, stacking. Not many products we are make it over there. See, here our product line is like a glass patch fitting, glass shower hardware, sliding solutions, and office partitions. We give you a static look for their dream office or dream home because nowadays the slimline concept is come down in the markets, and we are offering that kind of a concepts where a replacement of wood to the aluminum and glass and stainless steel. Bangladesh is a growing economic now, and now they require a lot of different concept because the new generation is moving towards the world. They see the world-class glass hardware and furniture fittings, so they're also looking for their dream office and their dream houses for this kind of a concepts. Yeah.